Good afternoon, Ifs Hotel Reservation. This is Rayame speaking. How can I help you?
Yes, I'd like to reserve a room for two, please.
Before we proceed to the reservation process, may I know who is on the line?
I am Mary Grace Lagat.
Thank you for that information,
Miss Lagat.
May I know which date you would like to make your reservation?
I am planning to visit Ifs Hotel on 11th to 13th of March. Do you have any vacancies?
Yes, we have several rooms available to that particular days. May I know what type of room, Miss Lagat, would you like to stay?
Do you have any deluxe rooms?
I'm sorry to inform you, Miss Lagat, but all our deluxe rooms have been booked on the 11th of March. How about a suite room instead? We can transfer you once there is availability.
Okay, that is fine.
Perhaps you didn't know that we have new room rates. Do you find that acceptable, Miss Lagat?
Please tell me the price so I can make a decision.
For a suite room, we have it at 5,050 pesos per room per night.
That's a reasonable price.
Now, as for the room, Miss Lagat, is a queen-size bed okay?
A queen? Sounds great.
Now, would you prefer to have a room with the view of Crimson Beach?
If the type of room is available, I would like to have a Crimson Beach view.
Great! Would you like to confirm your reservation, Miss Lagat?
Yes, I would like to confirm the reservation.
Can I have the name of the people who will be staying, Miss Lagat?
Miss Honey Lagi and Leslie May Baroga.
Okay, one more second, Miss Lagat. Your reservation is now verified. All I need to know is your phone number.
It's 0912-345-6789.
Let me repeat that, 0912-345-6789. Okay, Miss Lagat, how will be the bill be settled?
Do you accept payments via credit card?
Yes, Miss Lagat. Now, I'll need your credit card information to reserve the room for you. What type of card is it?
Visa. The number is 987-654321.
What is the name of the card holder?
Mary Grace Lagat.
Alright, Miss Lagat, your reservation has been made for the 11th until 13th of the March. For a suite room with a queen-size bed and of course with a view of the Crimson Beach. Your bills will be settled via Visa amounting to 10,100. Check-in is at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Is that correct, Miss Lagat?
Yes, that's all correct.
We wish to inform you about our 6 o'clock policy. Please be advised that you have to check in not later than 6 p.m. Otherwise, the hotel reserves the right to give the room to the waitlisted clients.
Noted. Thank you for informing me.
My pleasure. Is there anything I can do for you, Miss Lagat?
No, thank you. That would be all.
Thank you, Miss Lagat, for calling. We will see you in March. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Ifs Hotel. How may I help you? Yes, we'd like to check in, please. Certainly, ma'am. Do you have any reservation?
Yes, it's under the name of Mary Grace Lagat.
Do you have your booking confirmation, ma'am?
Yes, here it is.
No.
It will be just one moment. Okay. May I request your ID card, please?
Sure, here's my national ID.
Go.
Thank you very much. Thank you for patiently waiting. This is your identification card. Upon checking in our system, there is a confirmed booking under the name of Mary Grace Lagat for 3 days and 2 nights stay. And the reservation is for Miss Honey Lagi and Miss Leslie May Baroga in a suite room with a view of Crimson Beach. Your bills will be settled via Visa card amounting to 10,100 pesos, make it as 5,050 pesos per room per night. Are this all information correct, Miss Lagi?
Yes, that's all correct.
Alright. May we just borrow your card, please?
Okay, here it is.
Thank you very much. May I request your signature here, ma'am?
Sure.
Here is your receipt, ma'am.
Thank you. you. What is included in the cost anyway?
A continental meal plan every morning between 8 a.m. to 10 a.m., a shuttle service, and the use of all the hotel safe are all included.
So what is not included in the price?
Well, as for your room, Miss Baroga, you will see a minibar, and the use of it will be charged to your personal account, as well as the hotel provides room services at an additional charge, of course.
So what about the wireless internet?
That's pretty easy. This is your access code and the instruction on how to use it. As well as, this is the list of all the hotel amenities like the pool and the gym.
Yes, that would be a great help.
Alright, ma'am. This is your card. And I've got you all check into your room. Here is your key card. Your room number is 143. To get there, just take the elevator at the second floor. And when you get off from the elevator, just turn right. Your room is located at the end of the corridor on the left side. Do you need any assistance with your luggages, ma'am?
Yes, that would be a great help.
Okay, ma'am. Should you have any questions or concerns, please dial 0 to connecting with front office department from your room. Is there anything I can help you with, ma'am?
No, thank you.
Mr. Marvin? Ma'am, this is Mr. Marvin who will accompany you to your room.
Good morning, ma'am. May I help you with your luggage?
Yes, please.
Is there any breakable item inside your luggage, ma'am?
None.
I received one luggage. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, ma'am. Just wait in your room. By the way, ma'am, this way will lead you to the fire exit. And if you want to relax, ma'am, we have a spa in the third floor.
Great! Thank you.
We are now in your room, ma'am. Your room number is 143. Would you like me to open your room, ma'am?
Sure.
Okay, ma'am. May I have your key card?
Okay, this is your key.
Welcome to your room, ma'am. After me.
Go.
Where do you want me to place your luggage, ma'am?
Just put it there.
This is your bed, ma'am, which is a queen-size bed. Beside it, you have a minibar and a side table. The room is also equipped with air condition, ma'am. How about the temperature? Is that okay with you, ma'am? Or you want me to adjust the temperature?
That's fine.
And also, we have here a cabinet, ma'am, where you can put your clothes. This is your bathroom, ma'am. We also have a bathtub with hot and cold water. Do you want me to help you unpack your luggage, ma'am?
No, we can handle it.
Sure, ma'am. If you need something, please dial 0 to contact the front office department.
Okay, thank you. We're checking out of room 142.
Certainly, ma'am. Just for a moment. Good afternoon. Room 143 for check-out, please. Thank you. So, I'm just printing your bill now. By the way, how was your stay? That's nice to hear, ma'am. Here is your bill. Your room is already paid upon check-in, and these are your remaining incidentals upon availing our room services, restaurant, and minibar. Kindly check your guest folio before we proceed to any checkout processes.
Everything in this folio is correct.
May we just borrow your card, ma'am?
Here.
Thank you. Here's your card, ma'am. May I ask your signature here, ma'am?
Sure. Here.
Thank you. May I ask for the key card, please? Are you needing a taxi assistance, or do you have a car park here?
Yes, we'll be needing a taxi assistance. Our bus leaves within 2 hours.
The next shuttle service will arrive around 20 minutes, and it only takes 30 minutes to get you to the bus terminal.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Would you like to sign to the hotel guest book while waiting, ma'am?
Oh, yes.
Here it is, ma'am. If you have any concerns or questions, please don't hesitate to call the front desk office. And we will be so delighted to assist you.
Okay, thank you. We enjoyed our stay here.
That's good to hear, ma'am. Thank you for staying at Ipso Hotel. Hope to see you again, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bellboy, please. This is Ismael, and he will assist you to the taxi.
Thank you for staying, ma'am. Hope to see you again. Have a safe trip.
Thank you.
Oh,
Excuse me, miss. Morning, ma'am. How can I help you?
Well, it's a bit unusual, but there seems to have a ghost problem in our room.
A ghost problem, ma'am? Yes, miss. Things keep moving on their own.
And last night, our luggage mysteriously changed location.
And this morning, my toothbrush was floating in the sink.
I understand your concern, miss. However, we don't have any reports of ghosts in our hotel.
But we're telling you, there's something strange going on.
Perhaps there's a more natural explanation. Maybe the air conditioning is causing things to move. Or perhaps you left your suitcase near a vent and the air blew it around.
Yeah.
How about this, ma'am? Let me personally come up to your room and take a look around. Maybe we can find a simpler explanation for those occurrences.
Oh, yes, that would be a great help.
Of course, while I'm up there, would you like me to send up some extra towels and toiletries just in case?
Yes, that would be fantastic. Thank you so much for your help.
You see? Simple explanation. Thank you for your help again.
No problem at all, ma'am. Happy to help, and rest assured that our hotel is a completely ghost-free.